In this video I will show you how to fix the two-finger scroll not working in Windows. First off, you will need to go to your control panel. To do that, go to the bottom left of your screen and press the search button, and in here write control panel. Then open up the application at the top. Then go into hardware and sounds once you open up the application. And right here under devices and printers you should see a mouse section. Select it. And at the far end, you should have a touchpad section. It might be different for you in the title, but this is it. And once you see it, you press the options button right here. Then you should see a multi-finger section like I am seeing right now. Select it and then go over to scrolling and make sure that you have enabled this. After you enable it, then press the apply button, then press the OK button, and now try using your touchpad. If it still isn't working, jump into the next method. Next up, you can try updating the mouse pointer because the touchpad and mouse pointer functionality are closely related in many laptops. To do that, go over to the bottom left of your screen and press the search button. Go over to control panel once again, and then go over to hardware and sound. Go over to the mouse section, then go over to pointers once this opens up, and select any of the schemes that you will see right here. Let me choose this one, then press the apply button, then press the OK button. Now try using your touchpad and see if this helped. If it didn't, you can always return your mouse pointer to your old setting if you want to. Next up, you can try repairing the touchpad software application if you have one. The application might be malfunctioning, causing touchpad issues. To do that, go over to your control panel as for the previous steps, then go over to the programs section right here, open it up, then go into programs and features, and you should see an application that has touchpad in its name, like this one for me. Then right click it and you should be able to see a repair button right here that you will need to select. For example, if I choose Google Chrome and I right click it, I see a repair button. You should see that for your touchpad application. If you are still experiencing issues, try rolling back the drivers if that option is available to you, or try updating your drivers if it isn't. To do that, go to the bottom left of your screen and press the search button, and in here write Device Manager. Then open up the application at the top, and once you open up the application, go over to Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Then you should see your touchpad right here. Right click on it, then press Properties, then go over to Driver. Then right here, first off, you can try rolling back the driver if this is available to you, but if it isn't, try just updating the driver. To update the driver, press Update Driver. Then you can either choose Search automatically for drivers or browse your computer if you have downloaded drivers previously. I would recommend choosing the option at the top. And as you can see, if you see this pop up, that means that you can move on to the next step since you have the latest drivers installed for your device. But if an installation occurs, that means that the gesture might start working now, so you should try it out. If you are still experiencing this issue, you can also try uninstalling your device in the same section that we updated the driver by going over to the bottom and pressing the Uninstall Device button. Do not worry, doing this won't result in losing your device forever. You will just need to restart your PC or laptop and you should have the device installed back again automatically. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope we helped. See you in the next one.